Hey and welcome to this new video of Mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to compare between tags. So first of all we go to release or tag, and it will, for the moment we have just two tags, stable or unstable, and to compare between them we need to go with the pull request, new pull request, and here let's choose, for example, the master, or let's choose example branch, and here we will compare it not with the master branch but with tag. So let's use, for example, stable. We will compare it with stable tag. Let's hit enter, and here it shows us that this person is committed two times with his message or his comment in commit, new style, and changing in readme file, and basically here the update that this person did. So it's been update 3 file, and here the number of line that it's been added or deleted. So here we see that we in the example branch we deleted this line, and in the stable tag we add this line again, and we add another line or another empty line, and we add another third line which learn about tags. And here we can see, for example, all the code that we did. So basically here in this branch example, so here it's been nothing, and here in the text table all those lines are being added. It's in style. We can go down to see everything. So we see this is a lot of style. It's bootstrap version 4. So basically everything is green, it's added, and everything, for example here, everything it's red is deleted, and everything it's green it's added. So here it tells us between those two, the example branch and stable tag, it's been some modification in the index file. So we delete all of this, and we add all of this. So the green it's the add, and the red it's delete. Or we can just see the sign plus it's add, minus it's delete. So this is basically, and we can also see the name of the file that it's at. For example here it's readme, here it's index.html. Here we will see its style. This we add new folder and a new file of the style. So where it is, yeah, see here all in green. That's mean all thing it's new. So it's a folder bootstrap, and inside this folder a file bootstrap, that mean .css. So now we learn how to compare between branches and branch. We learn how to compare between branch and commit, and now we learn how to compare between branch and tag. So this is all for this video. See you.